Welcome to the next episode of She Matters series, where we celebrate women leaders and their inspiring journeys. I would like to introduce our guest who brings over 21 years of experience in the industry. She joined Tata Elxsi in the year 2004 as a fresher, started her journey as software developer, and then moved through various roles in the delivery team. Later, she shifted to practice and now heads AutoSAR competency of TBU as Senior Technology Manager. Let's welcome Srija KS to the segment of She Matters. Welcome, Srija.
Hi, Gayatri.
We have a few questions for you. So let's start with the questions. Reflecting your journey at Tata Elxsi, can you share a happy or a defining moment in your career?
A particularly defining moment would be the transitioning from delivery to the practice. So, since there was a shift from delivery to the practice, being in delivery, I was able to understand the organizational goals really well, and I was able to really align myself to the strategic initiatives within Tata Elxsi. So, I think that was a really defining moment in my career.
Okay.
And talking about the happy moments, actually there are many. So maybe name a few. One of my co-authored papers was actually presented at ELIV, which is an international congress for automotive event.
Okay.
Also, I was able to represent Tata Elxsi at various conferences and events, be it Embedded World in Germany, VECS at Sweden. And then also there were a couple of publications in Telematic Wire, etc., such magazines. So those were really happy moments for me.
What are the important lessons you have learned at Tata Elxsi and how it shaped your career?
My experience in delivery helped me understand customer pain points, and then how we should be looking more towards adding value to the customer. And then I really learned the importance of effective communication. So the way we talk to the customer, we bring out our thoughts to the customer. It also depends on the geography and the cultural context they are coming from. So how effectively you articulate your thoughts to the customer is really very important. So that was something I learned during my professional journey. Then I think Tata Elxsi has always been a front runner in adoption of all the emerging latest technologies. And with that, I was able to keep myself updated with the latest technologies. So staying, up to date to the latest technologies and keep on learning is really important in your learning curve. Then I feel the importance of an effective collaboration across all the different functions. It's not just engineering, but the quality team, the marketing, be it the support functions, the Marcom team. So for the effective collaboration between all these teams is really essential if you have to bring out the best from a company or the way you work. So I think that is really important, and that is what I learned being in Tata Elxsi.
To what factors do you give credit for your professional achievements and how Tata Elxsi had supported your journey?
I think the way my career started, the kind of work I started with was really important. For example, I started working on a hardware abstraction layer, which is the bottom layer of any embedded system. Then I moved to the middleware. So the way I was, working on different projects, that gave me a holistic and deeper understanding of the embedded systems. So I think that was really important for me. And then at every stage of various projects that I work on, whether that be in delivery or when I moved to practice, I interacted with a lot of leaders and mentors, and these mentors have really helped a lot in shaping my career. And in Tata Elxsi, the mentorship is not just limited to the senior mentors. I even learned from my peers and even the juniors. So I think this ecosystem of shared learning and openness was really important in shaping my career, and that is how Tata Elxsi helped me reach till here.
What advice would you give to other women leaders in the corporate world who aspire to have a successful career?
I think be ready to accept challenges, and growth comes when we push ourselves into the unfamiliar spaces. So be ready to seek guidance, ask for advice. I think that is really important. Then be committed to continuous learning. I think it's really important to stay abreast of the latest technologies which is happening in the corporate world. So a continuous learning curve, whatever be your experience, is really important in your career growth.
Can you describe a project or an initiative at Tata Elxsi that you're particularly passionate about?
I think one of them was Anchor program. So the Anchor program gave me a platform where I could actually learn and connect with other leaders in the organization. and I could learn the challenges that they face through, and how did they push their limits, and what extra mile they went to solve the challenges that was ahead of them. And it always shows that you have to stay updated, and keep on continuing the growth and the learning curve that you have. So that is what something I learned from the Anchor program. Then there is one more, which is basically the volunteering. And I feel the volunteering initiative, I actually participated in the job orientation for young girls from colleges. And I felt that was really, I could interact with the young students, understand their aspirations, and it gave me a different perspective, and I could connect with people who are outside of my work culture. And I was able to really help them. I mean, in some manner, I was able to really help them in shaping their career. And that gave me a great satisfaction. So I feel that was also really one of very good initiatives which has been started within Tata Elxsi.
Thank you, Srija, for joining us and also sharing your valuable insights.
Thanks, Gayatri.
We will be back soon with another episode. Till then, take care.